Curtis Hubbard. It's a 1972 Nova, and it's got a 4.6 small block in it. And got the max lip, reverse lip with a concave face. Got it tucked down, and just out here doing it. Back half ladder bar coilover with some 22 by 12s. It's all done in the backyard by me and my daddy. I mean, I did all the paint and body work. My daddy did all the fabricating and stuff, cutting it, welding, stuff like that. So it was a nice little father-son project. Just a little street rod. First hot rods had to come out swinging, so that's about it.